So CY, what are we doing today?
We're gonna pick up my car.
We got a little bit of a drive for us, maybe around, what, 45, 50 minutes out. We did get some snow this morning, but it's not too bad. And it looks like your neighbor crashed. Did you see that?
So check out the borders. Like zoom in. Like he's got holes drilled for holding things together already.
Oh no.
It's pre-clapped.
You sure this thing's not stolen?
I don't know. The front tire's oddly flat though.
Yeah. It's got drilled and slotted rotors. That's a plus.
There's also, obviously these bolts are pretty squishy, the ones with the plastic in them.
Yep.
So those are pretty flexible. What else do we have that's real heavy? The wheels are the biggest problem.
Yeah.
There should be some room in the Legacy. I could toss like maybe a set of 4 back there if you want. But it's totally up to you, CY. What are you thinking?
Well, like the bulkiest piece is this.
Oh, the bumper cover?
Yeah, the bumper cover. So
and I was thinking we could probably throw that on top. You know, so you don't have a passenger right now, right?
Right.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking, man, we'll put that seat all the way down and forward. That'll buy us a bit of room too.
Okay.
I like that idea.
Yeah.
There's so much stuff here.
Yeah.
You're also going to take these, CY?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, sweet. I like this light bar. That's cool.
That bolts right on.
Yeah, there's a whole. Yeah, like Sven set up a whole mounting system, which is fantastic.
That's amazing. You think it's going to fit?
I got some random rope and stuff laying around. If we need to, we can always kind of spring load it. When you buy those things, they come rolled up in a box. So.
I have a little sawzall. We'll cut it in half.
Is it nice?
Maybe if I flip it over, actually.
Yeah, to get the point on the bottom. Sure.
Yeah, I wish that seat folded down a little bit more, but I don't think it's gonna. Oh,
beautiful. Oh, right there.
It really is like a truck. It's unbelievable.
It is. I know a guy that works out of one of these. He's a mechanic in Seattle.
Right.
And he just, he took the back seats and all that out, then built a little plywood floor, the passenger seat and everything.
That's so cool.
Like his little van.
Not surprised. I mean, it's better than buying like a Ford Transit. You know, you have to park that
It's
thing.
half the size and you get just as much room inside.
Oh, yeah, 100%. Yeah, this is so cool.
You know, honestly, I think we could actually fit those 4 tires if we wanted to, just to prove a point.
I think we should go for it, but it's your car, CY, so.
Yeah, okay.
Well, these things are sitting at like 20 PSI right now. You feel us all there? I managed to mount these with a manual tire changer.
Oh, really?
But it was one of those I tried for 3 hours, decided it was impossible and gave up, but then I saw a guy doing it on YouTube and went, fuck, no, it's possible.
If you saw it on YouTube, you know it's legit.
Yeah. The first one took me another 3 hours or so, but once I figured it out, it took me 20 minutes to tire or something. It's an awful lot of work.
Yeah, I think I'll try putting 2 here and then...
Oh, you can stack on these easy. Yeah. At least 1 tire in there, for sure.
What I did to and from events is I had all this back stuff out, and one of these tires fits right in that little profile.
Oh,
So
sweet.
I'd stack them 4 high and I throw a little rally strap across the child seat supports.
Okay, smart.
We'll put it in the future.
Yeah,
Yeah, good luck. Let me know how it goes.
I will.
Am I going to be seeing this thing on YouTube here? Am I going to be able to stay in the...
Oh, you want to stay in the loop? Yeah. I think maybe we'll provide everybody with a little bit of an update here, so it should be pretty cool. I like the sound of the exhaust.
It sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
We'll have to launch out of a driveway if you want.
No, you're all good.
Oh, yeah, that's a bad idea.
That's
That's a bad idea.
So how did the car drive?
Oh, it drives amazing.
Really?
Yeah. Once we unload it, you gotta take it out because it feels so good.
Oh man, that's so exciting. Yeah, it's so cool being behind you. It looks so dope with all the stickers. And the exhaust note.
The exhaust is great.
It sounds really nice, man.
It's fucking like tuned. It's got a little rattle in the dash that annoys me because I'm like that, but like it just drives so perfectly.
So is this better than a Mazda 2, you'd say?
No, Mazda 2 is clearly superior.
Man, this is amazing.
Yeah.
And of course, the best part is you got it from Sven. He's such a great guy.
Oh, he is. He's amazing.
Yeah. I mean, you couldn't think of a better will to get it from. And you don't even have to do anything. This is just a turnkey solution.
100% turnkey.
Yeah.
Top dollar.
Oh, top dollar. This is going to be a lot of fun to rallycross.
Oh, yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
So what's the mileage again on this thing?
80,000.
80,000?
Yeah. No, drive like it's new.
Oh my God. pretty much is new. Man. So we just brought the car back. CY's doing a little bit of detailing. Took it around the block and it feels excellent. This thing is so sweet. You're right, man. There's not much to say because it's just
a Honda engine.
Yeah. No knocking, no pinging. We're not used to this, you know? This thing's a sweetheart. Oh.
Okay, let's
christening.
make it happen. See how easy this comes off.
I like the fact that we're putting on the aftermarket black.
Oh yeah. No, it's primer black or prep to paint black. This is extra awesome adhesion here. Boom.
Oh, it's official. Look at that. You even got the sun glistening on it. This is like After Effects.